Since we are discussing parts of speech, we will start with nouns. We all know noun is a word for a person, place, thing or an idea. Nouns are often used with an article, but that is not always true. Proper nouns always start with capital letter. Common nouns do not. Nouns have numbers. It can be singular or plural. It can be also concrete or abstract. Nouns show possession by adding s. Noun can function in different roles within a sentence. Noun can be a subject. It can take place of an object, both direct and indirect. It might be a subject complement or object of a preposition. So here we get to know the different functions of noun. Noun is a naming word. Next comes pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Pronouns are further divided into personal nouns, which refer to specific persons or things, then possessive noun, which indicate ownership, reflexive nouns that are used to emphasize another noun or pronoun, relative pronouns, which introduce a subordinate clause, and demonstrative pronouns that point to or refer to nouns. So that is what we understand about pronoun. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. For example, he, she, it, they, we, you. We know they take three persons: first person, second person and third person. So we have discussed the different types of pronoun. Personal pronouns used as substitutes for a person's name. There are two kinds of personal pronouns: subjective and objective. So these are I, you, he, she, it, they. Then possessive pronoun, as I have already told you, that indicate ownership. The words like my, our, your, his, her. Then reflexive, yourself, himself, herself. Those words are reflexive. Demonstrative pronouns are pointing words: these, those, that, such. Then we have relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. They are who, whom, which, whoever, whomever, etc. Then going to verb. What is a verb? Yes, we have learned that verbs are action words. The verb in a sentence expresses action or being. There is a main verb and sometimes one or more helping verbs. Along with nouns, verbs are the main part of a sentence or phrase telling a story about what is taking place. Seek and sing. In this sentence, sing is the main verb and can is the helping verb. Verb also take different forms to express tense. So when we study tense, we work with verbs, the different forms of verbs. Verbs almost always come after a noun or pronoun. Moving on to adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word used to modify or describe a noun or a pronoun. So since adjectives are describing words, it makes our writing and speaking much more specific and a whole lot more interesting. Words like small, blue, sharp, these are some descriptive words and they are all examples of adjectives. It also answers the question of which one, what kind, or how many. So, since adjectives are used to identify or quantify individual people and unique things, they are usually positioned before the noun or pronoun that they modify. Some sentence might contain multiple adjectives. Next comes adverb. Adverb describes or modifies verb, adjective, or another adverb, but it never modifies a noun. Often the words which are adverbs, they end with ly, but that is not true for all the cases. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. So which are the adverbs in this sentence? It modifies adjective. So here we find long is an adjective. So it modifying the word long as very long. So very is an adverb. Then disappeared. Disappeared is a verb and it is again modifying the verb with the word quickly. So here we find there are two adverbs, very and quickly. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifying another word in a sentence. Prepositions are words that are placed before noun or pronoun. Prepositions are always part of prepositional phrase. So, preposition. See, in the name itself, we have the definition that it shows the position. A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Prepositions are usually short words and they are normally placed directly in front of the nouns. Like after, before, at, in, on. But we also have prepositional phrase also.